What's going on, guys? It's Zed here. How you all doing today? Hopefully everything is fantastically, amazingly marvelous. Yeah, that line that I normally say anyway. Yeah, that one. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing something that I've not done before. This is a brand new learning curve and learning experience for myself. So we're going to be basically taking one of these drives here, which is an M.2 drive, as you guys can see from that. And we're going to be fitting on something provided to me by EK Water Blocks. Now, kind of interesting on this because obviously you guys can see what it is here. So this is basically just a thermal heatsink as it is. It looks absolutely lovely and will be placed as my boot drive within ReDZeD. So stay tuned. We're going to get this installed onto that M.2 drive. Okay, so we're going to get this done just now, so let's get into this. So, looking like everything that we have here, we've got clips, which obviously clip onto that, which is good. And then we need to apply a thermal pad, which is, it says here, the 0.5mm one. So that's going to be this little one here. So all we need to do is cut it to scale. So round about there should do very, very nicely. So it's going to do a wee snippety. Perfect. And we're now going to go about peeling off this. And of course getting this applied. No. There it is. Right, so we're just going to apply that onto that. Oh, try and make sure that's nice and... Ah, damn it. I'll put the clips on in a bit. God damn it, why does everything have to be so stupid? Anyway, keep calm, Zed, keep calm. Something like that. Of course I am. Okay, so basically the battery ran out there, so yeah, I kind of went ahead and applied it on anyway. So therefore that's that nice and stuck down there, which is good. Now, of course, the next piece is, of course, to line up the M.2 drive, in which should be able to see it's nicely there. There we go. And I'm just going to make sure that this is correct because there we are. That should do absolutely brilliantly. Now what we're going to do next is we are going to, I'm not too sure if we need the clips on as of yet, but in fact no, we do not need the clips on as of yet. I know why, because the thermal pad still needs to be applied to this, so bear with me for a few seconds. Oh, there we go, it's a bit floppy. Just gotta lay it on there, which is always good. Doesn't really matter what side you lay it on. I hate this. Never ever seem to get it perfect, can I? Pretty good job there. Pretty good so far, anyway. So just going to take off this little blue layer now. Seems to have contacted everything there, which is good. Now it's just a case of getting this little. There we go. It's not perfect. I know it's not perfect. It was never meant to be, but. Let's see if we can straighten that out a bit. No, we just made it worse. Great. Good job there, Zed. Good job. So we'll try again. And there we go. Not perfect, I know, but hey. And that seems to have slipped down there. So what we're going to do just now is go away, battery light, stop flashing. So I'm just going to slip that on top of there. Just going to get that all nice, true and level. So 2 seconds. And that is pretty much it, guys, as it is. And now I'm going to apply the clamps again. Okay. Right. Okay, why are these clamps being a pain? There we go. Okay, so basically the clamp clips fully over like that. That's all good. Just got to make sure that everything's still majoritively level. Good, good, good. Okay, so now we're going to put the second one on, hopefully with a lot more ease than the first one. Slops right into place there. And we're just going to give it a little bit of a persuasion. There we go. And that is it, guys. One very nice, cool M.2. Of course, you guys will be seeing this within ReDZeD as it is. Yes, EK water blocks, fantastic job, as always. I will be purchasing more stuff from them as it is. So everybody's favourite part about any type of unboxing. So anybody's favourite part about any type of unboxing or anything else is literally the peeling off of the label. So to reveal EK water blocks, lovely logo there. And now we're going to install it. Final part. So we're just literally going to screw this in just now. No. Damn it. This is not what I wanted to happen. I should really make sure that the power's off. Just in case. Stupid head. Great thing about having a magnetic screwdriver. Got it that time. And that's it. So thank you very much for tuning in, guys, and as always, Zzeddd out.